In this video, we're going to explore the alias command in Linux. The alias command is used for creating command shortcuts and abbreviations, which can significantly enhance your productivity and customize your Linux experience. Let's dive in and see how it works. So, what exactly is an alias? An alias is essentially a shortcut or an abbreviation that replaces a command or a series of commands in the Linux shell. It's a way to simplify complex commands, increase your productivity, customize your shell experience, and reduce typing errors. Here's the basic syntax. Alias shortcut equals original command. For example, alias ll equals ls space hyphen la. Now, instead of typing ls space hyphen la, you can simply type ll. Let's talk about creating temporary aliases. Temporary aliases exist only in the current shell session, which means they are lost when you close the terminal. They are useful for quick tasks or testing before making them permanent. To create one, use the command alias update equals single quote sudo apt update ampersand ampersand sudo apt upgrade single quote. Now, when you type update and press enter, it will execute both the update and upgrade commands. You can check if an alias exists by typing alias update. To remove it, use the unalias command followed by the alias name like this, unalias update. Now let's see how to create permanent aliases. To make aliases persist across terminal sessions, you need to add them to your shell configuration file. Common files include .bashrc for bash, .zshrc for zshell, /etc/profile for all users, or a dedicated file like .bash_aliases. Open your chosen configuration file and add your aliases. For example, alias update equals single quote sudo apt update ampersand ampersand sudo apt upgrade single quote, alias ll equals single quote ls space hyphen la single quote, and alias cls equals single quote clear single quote. To apply the changes without restarting the terminal, use the command source space tilde forward slash .bashrc, or simply a dot space tilde forward slash .bashrc. Let's explore some useful alias examples. First, navigation shortcuts. You can create aliases like alias home equals single quote cd space tilde single quote, alias double dot equals single quote cd space double dot single quote, and alias triple equals single quote cd space double dot forward slash double dot single quote. These simplify directory navigation. Next, enhanced listing. Try alias ll equals single quote ls space hyphen la single quote, alias la equals single quote ls space hyphen capital a single quote, and alias l equals single quote ls space hyphen capital C capital F single quote for improved file listing. For system management, you can create alias update equals single quote sudo apt update ampersand ampersand sudo apt upgrade single quote, alias mem equals single quote free space hyphen h single quote, and alias disk equals single quote df space hyphen h single quote. And finally, safety nets. Alias rm equals single quote rm space hyphen I single quote, alias cp equals single quote cp space hyphen I single quote, and alias mv equals single quote mv space hyphen I single quote. These will add interactive confirmation to prevent accidental file operations. Now let's talk about advanced alias techniques. For more complex commands, you can create function-based aliases that accept parameters. Functions are more powerful than simple aliases when you need to pass arguments or perform conditional logic. For example, to create an extract function, extract open parenthesis close parenthesis followed by an open curly bracket. Inside the curly brackets, add an if statement. If space open square bracket space hyphen f space $1 space close square bracket space semicolon space then. Then add a case statement, case space $1 space in. Then add different cases such as star tart bz2 close parenthesis tar space xjf space $1 semicolon semicolon, star tart at gz close parenthesis tar space xzf space $1 semicolon semicolon, star.zip close parenthesis unzip space $1 semicolon semicolon, and then a default case of star close parenthesis echo space double quote cannot extract $1 double quote semicolon semicolon. Then close the case statement with ESAC. Else, echo double quote file not found double quote. Finally, close the if statement in the curly brackets. Let's summarize some best practices. Use descriptive alias names that are easy to remember. Avoid overriding essential commands without backup options. Document your aliases with comments. Group related aliases together in your configuration files. Use functions for complex operations requiring parameters, and regularly review and clean up unused aliases. In summary, the alias command is a powerful tool for customizing your Linux experience, increasing productivity, and reducing typing errors. By creating shortcuts for frequently used commands, you can work more efficiently and make your terminal experience more personalized. Key commands to remember are alias, unalias, and alias space -p. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.